I am Fawad, this is UNU show.
Assalamu alaikum, I'm Poli. Now I'm in Dubai, you and your shop. Welcome, Omni Queen. How are you, Fawad? How is your business?
Alhamdulillah, I am fine.
This fabric from China?
This is Taiwanese fabrics, Samiramis.
From Taiwan?
Yeah, this is Taiwan.
Which one is hot selling?
This is Taiwanese and this is Indonesia fabric. Zibda.
This Indonesia.
Yeah, Zibda.
Zibda, Indonesia. It's cotton?
No, Zibda.
Zibda, polyester?
Yeah.
Oh, this hot selling?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
This is for Korean.
Korea.
Yeah.
How much price?
220 dirham.
220迪拉姆一卷儿。
220迪拉姆一卷啊，
对，
这么便宜。
She said the price is very cheap.
Yeah, we have a lot of countries, fabrics, China, Indonesia, Taiwan, Japan, Korea.
If she
有没有
want
好一点的？
if she want to buy high quality, which one is the best one? High quality. This is
We have Japanese fabrics, Shakibo, Zoom. We have this quality of
which
Japan.
one?
我可以看一下吗？
修号。
This from Japan.
Japan.
Shakibo. This is number one in Japan.
How much is this price?
This price 325, 360, 380 and 400.
Which one different? I don't see different. Can you explain which one different?
This one 380.
Yes.
Okay, this one 360.
还不一样。这个是更软吗？还是？How much price, Mr. Farouk?
325.
325, and this one only need 325 dirham. This is from Japan. Shaggy Japan, number one quality. And if any customer want the cheaper price, yellow, let's go. From where?
Indonesia.
We also have this 140 dirham wardrobe. This one from Indonesia.
This is China fabrics.
China fabric.
23 meter in one roll.
23 meter wardrobe.
7 kandura.
7 kandura.
Only 60 dirham.
Only 60 dirham. This from China. 7 kandura, only 60 dirham. Very cheap price. Come.
We have a lot of items, 60 dirham, 70.
Yeah.
This is waterproof. Yeah. This is China. Only 80 dirham.
Only 80 dirham. How many?
7 kandura.
7 kandura, 80 dirham, and waterproof. Jamila.
This one power. This one 7 kandura,
7 kandura,
90 dirham.
90 dirham. Also made in China?
Made in China.
Made in China. Oh.
This fabric made in India.
Fabric made in India.
7 kandura,
7 kandura made in India.
only 80 dirham.
Only 80 dirham. Wow, very cheap price.
This is all 60 dirham.
This is 60 dirham, 7 kandura. Made in India.
This is Dubai Kia, 8 kandura,
8 kandura.
only 100 dirham.
108 kandura.
Mubaraka, this is spun,
This is spun.
made in China.
Made in China.
7 kandura, 120
7
dirham.
kandura, 120. Quiz.
Robo, 7 kandura, 120 dirham.
120 dirham.
This one Prince made in Indonesia, 220 dirham.
220 dirham. 7 kandura.
This is Samiramis.
Samiramis.
This is 7 kandura, 180 dirham.
7 kandura, 180 dirham. And how many meters is that?
23 meters.
23 meters.
Japan,
This is made in Japan.
yeah, 280 dirham.
280 dirham. 7 kandura.
Yeah.
23 meters.
23 meters.
Yellow.
Gentlemen, 7 kandura,
7 kandura,
only 130 dirham.
130 dirham.
This is Indonesia zibda.
Indonesia Zebda.
This all Indonesia zibda. This is ATM.
Indonesia hot selling. You see finish.
Indonesia zibda.
Indonesia
This is
Zebda.
130.
130 dirham. 7 kandura.
This is 130 dirham.
130 dirham. 7 kandura. Made in Indonesia. Very hot selling. Hot selling.
This is Sheikh al-Araba. This is a very
Very soft.
Soft.
You see, very soft. Very soft.
and this is a 200 dirham.
200 dirham. And this in Dubai weather is very hot. You see this very soft and make you cold. Please, I want to make one. Please make one for me. Okay.
250 dirham.
250 dirham. How many abaya?
10 about
10 abaya. Only
150.
150. 10 abaya. 10 abaya and the digital design. We have so many color. So many picture design. We have young girls, for mother, grandmother, baby. Every design we have. It's all made in China. Made in China. Can
you introduce to me your products?
This is a ATM zibda. This is only 130 dirham.
Yeah. And more? And more?
This is a Taiwanese 160 dirham. Semiramis 160 dirham.
Then what's different?
This is a cool weather.
Then what's the price?
160 dirham.
It's for men, right?
Yeah.
Which one for women?
Women have a lot of items. It's 65 dirham. 65 dirham.
Yeah, you can see. Only 65.
This one only 40 dirham.
40.
Yeah.
Can I have a try?
Yes, you can try. Beautiful.
Really?
Yes,
This
beautiful.
color is good for me.
Beautiful for you.
This is a Armani digital print. Only 30 dirham one abaya.
Only 30.
Yeah.
Cheaper price. Come on. Buy this one. Okay, thank you.